Welcome back, guys. What's up? So today I'm here with Celie hair. Same packaging as usual, but I got an extra bag here. So before we go into the box, let me show you guys what I got into the bag. So it's branded Celie as usual, right? And I got a pair of lashes. Oh, I got a bonnet, a headband, edge brush and comb. I got 2 clips, guys. This is a lot. I got a wig cap. It's a lot of goodies in today's package. And I got a rat tail comb. That's everything in the bag here. Oh, and then lastly, they just packaged the wig in the box by itself. Oh, guys, you see this? You see this excitement? All right, hold on. We're still getting into it. So I got a little pamphlet here, like an information, card with hair care and different styles and stuff. It also has their social media listed on the back. And so the information of the wig is on the inside of the box. So let's get into it, okay? Because this is lit. Usually I do like a burgundy, like a 99J, but this red is popping. This is today's wig. It's a gorgeous body wave red wig. This is 24 inches long. You see this? It is, as you can see, a bright, beautiful red color. It's a 30x4 lace front wig, and it's 180% in density. This is how it looks. It's not yet pre-bleached. It's not pre-bleached or pre-plucked. Well, it's pre-plucked, but it's very lightly, so you could go in and pluck this further. So all you can do is just go in and pat some powder onto the lace for a quicker, like, tinted vibe. And yeah, if you don't have all the time in the world to sit and like bleach it and then tint it, but eventually you could do that. And so it has a total of 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back. And yeah, it's a standard cap construction. The hair is really soft. It doesn't feel dry. So usually, when hair is processed, sometimes it can feel dry and brittle, but this still feels soft. It still has that nice luster to it. I'm pretty sure you guys can see that it's full to the tip. And this is giving me a vibe like special occasion, like going to the club kind of vibe, like party kind of vibe, because it's so bold. So this is definitely like a bold vibe, and right off the bat I'm getting like a side part action. So that's how I'm going to style this wig today, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using Got To Be for the installation, so let's get started. So I actually jumped into doing some plucking. I feel like it was a little too dense in the front, so I needed to do a little bit more plucking. I could have went even further, but I feel like eventually I'll do that, because I'm not gonna lie, I really love the color of this wig. I don't have any wig looking like this. As I say, I usually have like a darker tone, like a burgundy, so I just took out a little bit more in the front, and this is how we're looking. So you can definitely feel free and go ahead and get more graduation from plucking. Just take your time and do that. So I was just measuring up the lace front as usual, nothing new. And as I mentioned before, I'm using Got To Be for today's adhesive.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a jump top in pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola.
Once I was done with that, I got my elastic band to further melt the lace down a little bit more. And then right now, as I said before, I'm definitely doing a center part. I was looking at the hair there and just admiring how beautiful the initial waves are. And that kind of influenced me to not get rid of those. And you'll see further down, but look at that. The hair is so luscious. It's so full. It is gorgeous, So pretty much I jumped into creating a side part. And the more I played around with it, it just definitely gave me that Jessica Rabbit vibe. And I really, really love the look. So it doesn't have like a deep parting, so you know you kind of have to finesse the parting. It has like a short amount of lace space in the front, and then I had to kind of bend it to the back. As you can see, it's easier, you know, to look. It's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, it's not much lace to work with in the front, so I did my best with elongating it. And I got my wax and my hot comb to lay it down flat, because you guys already know I don't like when my wigs look bulky. It's gotta be laying, okay? And I used some concealer to make the parting a little bit more precise. So after playing around with it, I decided that, you know, I wanted the front there to have a little bit of a bump, like the front portion of the hair, because it wasn't as defined as the rest of the wig, as you guys can see. So I went through that with my curling iron, and it curled beautifully. And I really didn't want to touch the rest of the hair. Like, you see, the waves are just gorgeous, beautiful. So I think, Celie did an amazing job on that. I just would love for them to, you know, make this lace be even like, you know, a delicate Swiss lace. That would be so gorgeous. But yeah, that's it. That's how I finessed this wig. So that's how we're looking, guys. Definitely Jessica Rabbit vibe is what this gave. I didn't even have to end up going throughout the entire wig, as you guys saw, but I did redefine, redefine the front here to make it have like a really nice, you know, bounce to it. I love the way it turned out. The hair is very luscious and it's nice and full. The waves are gorgeous. So shout out to Celie here. Shedding is there. Wish it would be a little bit less, but it's not excessive, okay? So you can make note of that. In terms of the specifications, I'll list that for you guys once more in the description box as usual, and the direct link to this wig will be in my description box as well. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Swola, 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 swola.